Okay, let's simplify a complex fraction. Let's say we have 11 over x minus 11, everything over 1 over x minus 11 minus 1 over x. So this is a complex fraction because it has at the numerator a fraction, at the denominator other fractions. So the easiest way to do it, just rewrite the numerator and divide by the denominator. So this way it already looks like it's an simpler form. So our goal is to have a fraction divided by another fraction, because we know that if I have a fraction, I can divide, if I have to divide two fractions, I can copy the first fraction and multiply with the reciprocal of the other fraction. Well, the numerator, it's already in one simple fraction written, so all we have to do is to work on the second one. So I'm just going to copy the first one because there is no change I need to do. And then on the second one, I am going to leave a little bit of room after the fractions, because in order for me to subtract two fractions that have different denominators, I have to find the common denominator. So the common denominator, since these two fractions have different denominators that are respectively prime, we can just multiply them together. So now, what is missing from the first fraction to have the same denominator? An x, so we'll multiply by x over x. What is missing from the second one? X minus 11 over x minus 11. So we'll multiply that. Okay, so now we copy the first one, 11 over x minus 11, divided by, well, the second parenthesis is going to be x minus 11, everything over x times x minus 11. So it's already shows us as only one fraction. I am going to simplify it. So it's x minus x plus 11, right? This negative here changes all the signs inside. So this negative is going to become positive, over x times x minus 11. I forgot parentheses here. So 11 over x minus 11 divided by the numerator is just 11 over x times x minus 11. So we copy the first one and we times by the reciprocal of the second one. So cancel the 11s, x minus 11 with x minus 11, and we are left just with x. I hope this helped.